Pasta.
Onion, kanda.
Kanda. Lasun.
Correct. This
Pasta pani.
and what is this?
Tomato sauce.
Yeah, pasta sauce or tomato sauce. Okay.
Add olive oil. Careful, Mom. Careful. Then you add the onions and garlic.
Kanda आणि लसूण घालूया.
Tomato sauce, you want like a spoon or two of it. We're using the Wegmans Kirkland one, right? Wait, no, that's from Whole Foods. That's enough. So now we kind of just let this cook and we add whatever spices we want.
Okay. आपल्याला आवडतील जे मसाले आपण टाकू शकतो ह्याच्यामध्ये.
Okay, so we're adding garlic powder.
लसणाची पावडर.
This is black pepper.
काळी मिरी पावडर.
Now we're gonna add some salt to the mixture.
Okay, मीठ टाकूया.
And now we add some chili powder.
लाल मिरची पावडर.
I can't have the pasta water.
थोडंसं पास्ता, बॉइल्ड पास्ता वॉटर.
Just add how much you need to. Now we kind of just like let that evaporate and stuff, and then we add the pasta.
लवण आणि पास्ता टाकूया.
Add it, but let's add the pasta. But actually, probably it is the right time to add it. Oh no, Mom, please don't add that into the pot, please. Please, don't add that in the, no. Oh, thank you. Because they'll appreciate us for being honest. They'll appreciate us for being honest, that's why. We mix it properly. Then we add some cheese into the pot, and then we let that sit. Okay, that's good. That's good now. Please subscribe to our channel.